What's up YouTube? My name is Rohit and I come back with another video. So in today's video, we will make an electric bill system using nested if else. Alright, so first I will open my Dev C++ in which I create a new file with the help of control N. After that we will include our header file, that is hash include iostream. Alright, after that we will add here a line called using namespace standard, that is std. Okay, we will end this line with the help of semicolon. After that we will return some value, we will declare our return type, that is int main round brackets. After that we will add it to quotation. In quotation I take a data type called int long int, alright, not int. Okay, in which I create some variable like unit, and I take it short u for unit, and one more variable called r for bill लेते हैं हम bill. So b को मैं bill को हम short कर देंगे b में. Okay, after that what we will do, we will print a message on a screen using cout. Enter the units. Alright, enter the units. We will end this line with the help of semicolon. After that, using cin, we will take the input from the user and pass to the variable u. Okay, we will end this line with the help of semicolon. Okay, so now we will check our condition. If in round brackets u is less than 500. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to charge b equals to u into 3. We have to charge 3 rupee per unit. Okay, we will end this line with the help of semicolon. After that what we will do, we'll use here else if in round brackets. I will take one more round bracket. In u is greater than equals to 500. Okay, and in round brackets u is smaller than 1000. Okay, so what we have to do, I have to add here 1000. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to charge b equals we have to charge unit, that is u into u into 5. Okay, 5 rupees per unit. Okay, we will add our second condition, third condition. Else if in the round brackets, add one more round bracket, unit is greater than or equal to 1000, and in round brackets unit, that is u. So okay, I have to use here u not unit. Okay, u is smaller than 2000. So what we have to charge, we have to charge b equals to u into 10. Okay, we will end this line with the help of semicolon. After that, our last condition, we will add in else. If all these three conditions get false, so our fourth condition will true. So in else, what we will do, we will charge b equals to u into 15. Okay, 15. Alright, after that we will print the value of bill using cout, the in quotation the total bill is जो भी हमारा b में है. We will end this line with the help of semicolon. After that we will return some value, return 0 Okay, so return 0, we will end this line with the help of semicolon. Okay, so let's run the program using function f11. So I will give the name to the file called ebill. We will end this, we will save the program. As you can see the message on the screen, enter the unit. Okay, so I will enter less than 500, so I will enter here 400 units and hit enter. So you can see total bill is uh, 1200, that is 1200. All right, let's check our second condition with the help of function f11. I will run the program one more time. As you can see the message on the screen, enter the unit. So this time I will enter the unit greater than 500 and less than 10,000. Okay, so I will enter here 700. Okay, and hit enter. So you can see the total bill is 3,500. All right, as like that you have to, you can check the other condition too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Till then, peace out.